Hi guys, I'm going to do a Dollar Tree and Dollar General haul. I am just using my computer because the tripod is not here. The camera's here, but the tripod is not here. So I'm just going to use my computer or my phone, whichever one is more convenient for me. So the first thing that I got was this LA Colors palette in nude. And this came from the Dollar Tree. This was $1. So it looks like really pretty colors. I also picked up one in rose. I'm trying to open it so I can show it to you. Oh, this is pretty. Pretty. These are the colors. They probably look similar to the other colors, but these are the colors. They are very pretty. Let's swatch one of them if I can see what that looks like. Can't see it. I have to do a swatch video so you can see, because you cannot see these colors. So I got these two makeup eyeshadow palettes. Anytime I see Wet n Wild, can't talk. Anytime I see Wet n Wild brushes, I pick them up. So I got another one of these blending brushes. Okay, candles. I got a candle in marshmallow lavender. You're not gonna be able to see the top, but if you can see, it's purple, like a lavender color. Got two of these, and then I got two of the pineapple upside down cake, just like this. It's yellow, and it smells like upside down pineapple cake. So I got two of these. I'm just grabbing stuff so I can get this video done. I picked this up because I got two things of vanilla oil. Smells awesome. If you see that vanilla oil at Dollar Tree, get it. It smells awesome. It smells like sugar cookies baking. So I got this to burn my vanilla oil. And I also picked up some tea lights to put in there. Tea lights to put in there. I picked up some Pure Silk Spa Therapy. See that? The Spa Therapy shaving cream. I'm just picking stuff out of the basket. This is the Hydration Body Wash. Sometimes they have this one, sometimes they don't. They had it, so I got it. And I got some Fresh Sensations. I haven't had this in a while, so I picked some of this up so I can put in my carpet when I vacuum my carpet. This is new for me. I don't know if anybody ever had this before, but this is Max Aromas Multi-Purpose Cleaner. You can use it on anything. On the back it says the kitchen, the bathroom, the toilet, and the floors. So I'm probably going to split this in half, use half on the floors, and then make a spray out of it. So got that. Picked up some more Dawn dish soap. I'm always picking up dish soap to wash dishes. I saw this at Dollar General. This is the Clorox dishwashing liquid. It's pretty good. It's no different than a Dawn. I didn't see a big difference. So if you see this, try it out. It's okay. Then I got some coconut and hibiscus shampoo and some conditioner. I picked up some hooks. When I see these, I get them for whatever reason. I got these two mini journals. I've had these for a while. I just never hauled them. Because it's kind of like a collective haul. I go all the time, but I just been like waiting to do this haul because it's been so busy and everything. So picked up two of these containers. I'm using one of them. Actually, I picked up three. I'm sorry. One of them I'm using in my bedroom for my nail polishes and my nail polish remover. Got some more razors, more shaving cream. I found Dulce Candy's book, and I'm thinking about just, it's going to be a used giveaway. It's going to be like, I read it and then I give it to you, or I might just give it away. I don't know, but I got so many books I'm reading right now. So I found her book for $1. Yeah, $1. Trying to get a good thumbnail. Okay, let's just move this over here. This is where I'm digging everything out of. I got these 2 baskets for whatever. I found this fragrance sachet. I've never seen these before at mine, so got that. Smell good. Smells really good. This is the oil I was telling you about, the vanilla oil. That's the oil. Then I got some super glue for my nails because I'm going to start putting my nails back on. I found this pineapple lip gloss. Dollar General scrub brush. I found some really cute sponges to clean with. So I got that one. These came from Dollar General. It was a 3-pack. And then I got these. I got this one. And then I got that one. So that's that. Right. Picked up my normal sponges, which I've already opened. I've just been coming in here and digging them out of the closet when I need them. I picked up some more stickers. This is for like my journal or my planner. If you can see, these are really pretty colors. Pinks and yellows and all those pretty colors. Some more nails. I got these stiletto nails. Are these stiletto? I think so. So I got the pink and black. If you can see that. Turquoise and black. And then the ombre purple. Oops, I held up the wrong ones. The ombre purple and blue. I found the facial scrub coconut oil and sea salt, which I want to try out, see if it's any good. I got me another deep conditioner. This is coconut oil and vitamin E. I like this stuff. It's awesome. It smells really good too. Some lashes, which I'll probably give to my daughter. Pick me up another bowl because I broke my other one, and this is like one of my favorite bowls. I put my salads, oatmeal, or whatever in here. Another bowl. Hopefully I don't break that one. I found the gel nail polish in, what is this called? Maybe Me. And I also found a matte lipstick by C Color, and this is in Fire. So, show you what it looks like. I'll probably do a separate video like tomorrow or something. I'm planning on maybe doing a video tomorrow of like swatches of this and some other stuff that I had bought in the past that I have not like done swatches of or talked about or whatever. And I got 2 of these. These things are cheap, so if you're going to use these, I would use these for like cleaning rags or something to put them in your washer or whatever, but I would not put too many clothes in this because it's going to rip. So that's my haul, and this is what I got for Mother's Day from one of my kiddos that I keep. I got this Iron on Coffee and Grace. This is so me. And she also got me a candle in cucumber melon sherbet. So this is a huge candle, and it smells good, really good. So that's my haul, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.